Hi, I'm Jeff from Rokform, and today we're going to do an installation and unboxing of our new iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max camera lens protector on my very own iPhone 15 Pro. And we're going to get a nice little close-up here and do an unboxing and take a look. Okay, so first we'll take off the phone case and we'll set this thing aside for now. So we have our iPhone 15 Pro Max and 15 Pro. It takes the same screen camera lens protector. And take it out of the box. And it comes in this little clamshell. And inside the clamshell, you'll find the installation cleaning kit, and then also your camera screen protector. So it's really easy to do. Okay, so the nice thing about how we put these kits together is you just peel this open and remove the contents, and they're stacked in the order that you're going to use them. So first you're going to use the alcohol pad, then you're going to use the cloth wipe, then you're going to use this little dust sticky thing, and we'll show you how to do all three of those. So I'm going to move this over here, get our phone here. And we're going to use the alcohol pad. You don't have a big area to clean, so it doesn't take long. So we're just going to clean, especially in between the cameras, because sometimes that's where dust can build up, because these things sit pretty high off of the phone. So we want to make sure that we get it as clean as we can, and that we don't leave any dust. Because if you get dust under there, then you might have a little bubble and it doesn't look good. Even though on these it's not nearly as critical as a screen protector because it's so small you would hardly even notice it, but we're going to get it really clean no matter what. And then we're going to use our cloth. Get in there really good with the cloth. Make sure it's dry and clean and free from dust. And you can take extra time, it can't be too clean. There we go, so that's pretty darn clean. I know it doesn't have any fingerprints on it because I have not touched it with my fingers. Then I take my little sticky thing, and this is just to pick up any dust that you might see or that was left behind from maybe even that little cloth. And it's just a good exercise to make sure that you kind of got everything. So there's a sticky side, and you're just gonna kind of dab the camera lenses just to get any possible pieces of dust off of it. So just do that a couple times. Good to go. Then we're going to quickly take our lens protector, and you can see the two holes, and it lines up with the three cameras. It can really only go on that way. So we're just going to remove the sticky from the back, place it on there, and it's going to kind of snap into place. And that's it. That's installed. So you can see it just sticks up off of the base of the cameras, and it still looks kind of OEM. And we stick our case right back on. Fits perfectly with the case. It'll fit with just about any case. We haven't found a case yet that this won't work with, and it'll work without a case. So that is our brand new iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max camera lens protector. So that's it for our installation of our iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max camera lens protector. If you have any questions, just send us a message through the Amazon app and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.